Good morning, students. I am Yogen Singh, your teacher, English teacher, and today I have come with you a lesson from class 10th, 100 dresses. Before starting the lesson, I will like to ask you that smiling, laughing is good for health. Everybody likes a laughing face. We also enjoy, even people enjoying laughter yoga because it has great benefits. It provides our body exercise. It provides our body an exercise that make us to work hard and to work better. It make our muscles more stronger. But you know, student, when laughter is aimed at or targeted at, it mark and it lessen the capability of that person. Yes, in this lesson we will come to know how a small girl is being laughed at by her own classmates, how she overcome, and if she was able to overcome it or not. So I am starting my lesson 100 dresses. First character of the lesson, Wanda Petronsky. She was a Polish migrant girl. Peggy, a rich, beautiful, intelligent girl. Maddie, a close friend of Peggy and quite dear to Peggy, always keep side with her, but she was also poor. Her mother used to take cloth from others, then used to trim, and then she used to wear it. Miss Mason, a quite considerable, a good teacher, and several other classmates were also character of in this story. The story starts on Monday when Wanda is absent from the class, but nobody in the class, neither teacher nor the student, notice it. Same repeated on Tuesday also. Wanda was not there, but nobody worried for her. Now it was Wednesday, and on Wednesday her absence was noticed, and obviously by her opponents Peggy and Maddie, because they wished to make fun of her, and that's why they were waiting for Wanda at the gate of the school. Wanda did not come and they got late. And this time they become serious and they want to know why Wanda is not coming. Why she had not come for last 3 days. Now things change. Now we are going to know what really happens in that class. Actually, Wanda belongs to Bogging Heights. It was a slum-like undeveloped area, and there the way were full of mud. That's why when Wanda comes to school, she always kept her feet muddy. They all were muddy, that's why she did not come to the front of the class. She silently went to the last corner of the class, and then on second last seat she used to sit there, where the rough boys of the class used to sit. They laugh a lot, they make fun a lot, they scuff their feet, but Wanda is not sitting there just to do all these things. Wanda was sitting there just to hide her feet. As about the other class, the other class and the girls used to make fun of her. And obviously this fun was started by Peggy, though in reality Peggy was a good girl. She was not cruel. She used to save the younger children from bullies or from the elder children who used to tease them. She started to cry whenever she saw that somebody is teasing an animal. But when she came to Wanda, she thought that Wanda is a liar. She is a poor girl, but she used to tell a lie. That's why she always take the girl of her class with her and go to Wanda. And in very polite, very courteous manner, she asked, Wanda, how many dresses you have? Wanda talks very little. That's why she answered, I have 100 dresses. All are lined up in my closet. And it was a fun for every student of the class. They started to laugh. Oh! And Peggy took it as a fun. She thought she's a liar. She's poor girl. She always come in only simple blue dress that is not ever ironed. And she's telling that she had 100 dresses. Sometimes she asks about the type of dress, whether they are of velvet or they are of silk. Wanda in very simple words used to answer her. Wanda's close friend Maddie. She did not have any hand in making fun because she was also a poor girl. But she thanks God, oh, I'm not so poor. I won't used to come from Bogging Heights, where there is too much mud. But she never tried to make fun of Wanda. She feel embarrassed when somebody is making fun of her. But here one thing is, she never opposed them. She never asked them why you are doing. But she feel that if I oppose them, it may be that they will start to make fun of me. This is the general routine of the class. But next day the girls were busy. All the day they were doing their work. And on the next day they were quite excited because there was a competition for them, and their teacher was going to announce the result. And this was a competition that boys have to make a design of motorboat and girls have to make a design of dress. That's why they have prepared and they have submitted their paintings. And today Miss Mason was going to declare the result. As they entered in the class, oh, all the class was stunned. All the class was surprised because there were more than 100 paintings. They all were lines. It remembered them Wanda. But they did not know. All the paintings were quite beautiful. They were quite impressive, inspiring. And now Miss Mason comes there. She declared the result. Everybody was thinking that it was Peggy who will win, because they thought that it was Peggy who has good painting hand and her painting were quite superb than anyone else. But Miss Mason declared the name. And do you know who was? It was Wanda Petronsky. It was Wanda Petronsky who won the prize, who won the medal. Miss Mason declared that there are 100 models there of different type of paintings, and even the single one is capable to win the prize. And all the judges were in favor of this girl, and they have given decision that Wanda Petronsky, though she was not coming from last few days, she would be the winner, and we will try to give her the words. This is your first part. Later on in second part we will study it. I hope you will enjoy the lesson and you have understood it. If you have any query, then please send to me. Thank you. Jai Hind.